Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this cloning a tessellation. If you didn't watch part 1, you really need to watch it. So that's your control curve. We're going to take the shape tool and select it, and we're going to add a node. It'll add a node right in the middle. I'm going to select it all, right click, and turn it into well, it's already a curve. And then I'm going to set my nudge distance on like a ½ inch. And I'm going to nudge that node that's right in the middle inwardly like that. Now I'm going to select it all and I'm going to rotate this whole thing 120 degrees. The reason I'm doing that is to be able to get to a flat, even edge. I'm going to add another node right in the center, turn it into a curve. You also notice it added a node up there, but can't really do anything about it. It doesn't affect it. And I don't know if you see what's happening, but if we rotate this now 240 degrees, we have one more flat side. Take the shape tool, add a node. I think they must be already curves. Nope, make it a curve. Take the shape tool and grab that one, and equally, now every facet is the same. It looks so different here than it does there, because here we have straight line. For some reason it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing, but it's working over here. So every one of them is a tessellation with basically the same shape, no matter how you look at it, symmetrically, indented, because we rotate it. And the reason you have to rotate it, you either have to go up or down or left and right with a nudge, and you can't not, well, maybe there's a mathematical formula, but 2.5 down and 2.5 over, but this is the easiest for me to do. And you do that with some wood on a cutting board or whatever, and you could still change it. You don't have to go with that. Let's change it to, let's nudge another 1/4 of an inch and see what it would look like that. And then select it all, rotate it 120 degrees, and grab that shape right there and nudge it another inwardly. Grab it all, rotate it probably to 0 now, and take the green one and nudge that in. So you got a total different shape. Let me look at the difference if we use the Smart Fill tool. Just a little bit different of a shape, but these would all fit inside each other like they're doing, and that's what's so cool about this. And like I said in the video before, if you were going to cut that out, then you need to make them all red and make them all hairlines, so they will all cut out. And if you use, let alone just filling them into printing them, but to cut them out with different species of wood, if you made, just a bunch of different colored woods, or even in a printing, if you took stuff like this, and I don't think they're closed shapes. So I don't know if I can just grab that shape and make it. Nope, you have to use a Smart Fill tool. But that would be a pretty unique printing on a t-shirt or something, to have a tessellation like that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.